Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of OfficeSuite. We click on Settings. In this page we go to Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this page of apps you will search about the application of OfficeSuite and you will click. Then in this page of App Info you will click on First Stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. Don't click Clear Data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of OfficeSuite. Then you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.